In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Turbotax. Whether you're filing your taxes for the first time or you're a seasoned pro, logging into your Turbotax account is the first critical step in managing your tax documents efficiently. Let me guide you through the process step by step to ensure you can access your Turbotax account with ease. First, start by opening your preferred web browser. You'll want to navigate to the official Turbotax website. This can be done by typing Turbotax into the search bar of your browser or directly entering the URL, which is turbotax.intuit.com, into the address bar. Doing this will take you to the Turbotax homepage where all the magic begins. Here you'll find various resources and options dedicated to assisting you with your tax filings. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a sign in button prominently displayed, which serves as your gateway to accessing your existing Turbotax account. A quick click on this button will guide you to the login page. It's essential to ensure you're on the official website to protect your personal information. So when you click sign in, take a moment to verify the URL once again to prevent any phishing attempts. After clicking sign in, you will be directed to a page asking for your login credentials. Here you'll need to enter your registered email address and corresponding password. If you're accessing your account from a personal device, you might want to explore the Remember Me option. This feature safely stores your login details to expedite future logins, saving you the time and effort of re-entering them each time. In case you have forgotten your password, don't worry, assistance is just a click away. Simply click on the Forgot Password link. This will prompt you to enter your email address and you'll receive instructions on how to reset your password. Once you've entered your credentials, click the sign in button. If all details are correct, you'll find yourself navigated to the Turbotax home interface. This is where you can begin or continue your tax return, explore tax tips or manage your account settings. Navigating through this interface is straightforward, allowing you to access your previous tax returns or start working on new ones with ease. And there you have it, you're successfully logged into Turbotax. Remember, logging in correctly is crucial for ensuring your tax information remains safe and easily accessible. With these steps, you're all set up to confidently tackle your tax preparations or any other tax-related tasks you have at hand. Thank you for watching and happy filing.